Good morning. Welcome back to my channel. I'm happy that you're here. Today we are doing the walkthrough of Josephine. I was looking for an 1800s name, and so that's where that name came from, because this looks like, you know, it's from the 1800s. We have the gloves here. It's a beautiful lady. So that's how I came up with Josephine. This kit is by Oohlala Vintage Treasures. I am using her newest kit, Biscotti Silk Lady Elegance kit. I also threw in some background pages from Winter Memories, and that is the vintage kit. And then I used a little bit of Biscotti Silk Clutch Folio kit. That's a mouthful. I had my notes. So I stitched all around. I did a zigzag stitch, put some eyelets here for a beautiful tie. This is a vintage journal. So if you like vintage, this is the journal for you. Beautiful lace pocket, goes all the way to the back as well. A little ruffle, just a little bit of lace in here. We have lots of tags to write on. We have, the pockets are stitched in. You can see that on this side. And that's just a beautiful image of that rose. So we have a couple tags there. We have this. Isn't that cool? I like to use a black Sharpie pen for writing in the journals, because then you can write over the digitals. Look at that perfume bottle. It's stitched in as well. All the pockets are stitched in, but it is just beautiful, and I love that white rose. So we had to have a butterfly on that tag. Here's another pocket. What this is, you know what this is? This is the mirror, and I'm forgetting the name, but that is your compact. Well, we turned our compact in to a little notepad. Beautiful page there. And this is the background page from the Winter's Memory. And then we have vintage papers in here as well. Some music sheet, some book page. We have authentic ledger. And we'll take a look at the other side and see what the year is. We have a double pocket here. Love these boots. So it's coffee dyed paper. You can tuck a little something up there. Here is our center. And I have some charms and beads on there. Here's just a little something. Another double pocket. And as you can see, there's plenty of writing space in here. And here's the ledger. You can pull it out. It's from March 16th, 1916. So I reinforced it with washi tape there. So that's a nice page. Nice page. The paper, this book page feels so nice. Made some tags. That flower is just gorgeous. And it matches. I didn't even mean to do that. Here's another one of those compacts. Perfect for putting notes on, or scriptures on, affirmations, little poems, or putting it in your purse and using it for your notes or your grocery list. I stitched it in with the sewing machine. I just went right across. You can do with it anything that you want. That's so pretty. These roses like come to life in this kit. And then here's your back pocket. And there's the journal. So this journal is available. Email me or private message me on Instagram or Facebook if you're interested. And I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe if you haven't, and click that bell so you get notified when I post a new video. And don't forget to leave a comment. And I will see you next time. Bye, y'all.